Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is D, and welcome to my YouTube channels. It's been a while since I last make a video to share with you guys my journey on building my online business, and today I'm back, and I want to do a little bit of showing you guys a tour of my budget home studio that I built. As you can see, I have the LED lights are running around the room, and over there is my workstation. So let's show you around. As you can see right here is my logo that I do. So whenever I turn this on, I'm in business, baby. And I think I got this one for like $50-$60 on eBay. You can contact the sellers and give them like the logo, and they'll do this for you. I'll put the link in the video descriptions that you can check them out. And over here I have a little bit of the cabinet. I got this one free on the Facebook Marketplace. It's still in great condition, and yeah, it's free, so it's very good, high quality too. And this one, my neighbor, he moved away, so he was putting these two desks on the curb, and I came over, asked him for it, and he was happily to give it away. See right here, I have this chair. This one, I paid full price for it, about $200, because I figured I sit so much working on my business, so might as well invest a nice chair so I can kick back, relax sometime, and rest my head up there. So this is my workstation. This computer is not free. This one is free, and this executive desk is also free. Some people, when they move away, because the desk is too heavy for them, so they decided to get this desk away, and I just contact them on Facebook Marketplace, and I get it. It was kind of heavy, but once you disassemble and take them piece by piece, it's very easy to put it back. Right here I have the tripod. This one I think I got like $15 in Vietnam. It's still holding up very good though. Okay, this lamp right here is also free. That lamp over there is also free. Sometimes, you can get really good quality stuff. People, they don't want to use it, or because they don't have room for them. Okay, right here is the Macbook Pro 16-inch. This one is not free though. I pay full price for them, and I think I got them with the monthly payment on the Apple Store. I paid like $100 a month for I think 12 months, and yeah, it's still running good. Just one thing I don't like it is because of the fan. When it's kicking, it's very loud. I got it hooked up with the USB-C hub, and it's hooked up with my GS5 camera. And yeah, right now I have it running. This keyboard is come with this mouse right here. It's from Logitech. The whole thing is like $15-$16, so it's very nice. I got this monitors a long time ago, even though it's old, but it's still running up very good. I think it's still running 4K, so yeah, nice. One thing I like about this setup is that like I can easily raise the chair up or lower it down, as you can see, and sit right here and just record myself to get my message to the world. And as you can see right here, I have the app, the Limix Tether for streaming app. This one I can have a live view of my camera, and I can hit this button right here to start recording. And when I stop record, I have the options of like keep the footage on the camera or import it on the computer. Import it. So it takes a little bit to import, and we can open up the footage on the camera. So that's very convenient. And this one can also stream. So that's amazing setup right here. And I just picked up this video microphone. Even though I have the Rode wireless microphone, this one is so good. But the one thing I don't like about it is that I have to I have to turn on this and this separately, and it has to be charged. It has to have battery, and with this microphone right here, it's kind of plug and play. Sometimes I mess it up. I do the whole video, and then I realize this thing wasn't on, and yeah, I was very frustrated when it happened. Right here is the Joby Gorilla tripod. I think it's 3K. It's still holding up very well for the heavy GH5. And this is a nuclear USB-C hub. This one has a USB-A. It has the USB-C port. It has the SD cards and micro SD cards. This one is so good. When you plug in the SD cards and import footage into the camera, it runs very fast. And this one right here is also free. I got it from a relative. They wasn't using it, so I just asked for it, you know. One man trust is another man treasure. I still have the Honda Accord. So the story behind the Honda Accord is that I built the online business. I built a web hosting business on my own, and I was grinding on it, and finally 5-6 months ago I was able to purchase it. As you can see out here, I have a nice view, and that is the Honda Accord chilling outside. Yeah, if you guys want to learn how to build the web hosting business, I make a course to show people all the technical of getting the web hosting business up and running. One like smartandgood.com, because I spent so much time building this, so it has more stuff into it. But the course, I show people all the technical from A to Z of getting the web business up running. And if you are a website design, an online marketer like myself, you will be able to host your clients' websites on that network. So it's very cool. Right now, even though like I travel to Vietnam, I was able to like make money on the go. And right now, when I build the website for clients and I make the deal with them every month on that date, the system charges the clients automatically. So that's very cool. I was being able to make a passive income and be able to pay my monthly car note, pay for the insurance, and pay for food, pay for all the living expenses. Yeah. So my favorite thing in the morning is to make a coffee and to sit and build online businesses. That's my favorite thing to do. and I hope to continue doing this and to bring value for people. So if you liked these kinds of contents, please subscribe to my channels and help me out by clicking the like button. It would really help my channel grow. And I want to thank you so much for your time, for watching this video, and for supporting my channels. I hope to see you guys in the future videos. All right, you guys, have a good day, okay? Peace.